Alchemy Pay, ACH. It's been a while since we've talked about this one. We started talking about this way back in 2021. This is another company that's looking to make global payments easier, right? Cross-border payments, kind of like XRP, similar technology. Alchemy Pay really doing a fantastic job recently, though, partnering up. And they just put something forward that's really going to push them to get even more integrated in South Korea. And this news just came out yesterday. That's why you're seeing the price action that you are seeing here today, up about 16%. And really, let's take a look at this chart before we dive into the specifics of this most recent news. Over the past 3 months, it's kind of crazy what we've seen happen here. Alchemy Pay dialed all the way back below 1 cent, trading at 207, 208 back here at the beginning of the year. We're now trading at 4 cents. So we have essentially 5 or 6x here just this year. You can see the volume number has picked up drastically. Look at that. Just in the last 24 hours, 148, nearly $150 million in volume just in the last 24 hours. That's up 359%. So what has people so excited about Alchemy Pay right now? This is just the most recent thing that's happened, but we've covered this for months and months and months. They continue to ink major partnerships with huge partners. This one, partnership with DWF Labs. So they're excited to partner with DWF Labs, the prominent multi-stage Web3 investment firm. And this is going to secure them $10 million in funding at a valuation of right around $400 million in this round. So this strategic partnership aims for Alchemy Pay's expansion into the Korean market. This is their big step. They've been focusing a lot on the Middle East as well, trying to make trying to integrate their technology rather with some major corporations and companies there. And we go to their Medium article, give you some more specifics here. Again, they secured that $10 million in funding from DWF Labs. And again, it's going to be utilized to expand its payment business in Korea. Also, they want to capitalize on the region's high level of cryptocurrency acceptance. That part of the world, very crypto friendly. They're putting their frameworks together. So Alchemy Pay is going there first to the places where, things are structured, things are ready to go, and you can actually utilize this tech. By the way, this is going to happen with Ripple, I think, as well. They're caught up with the SEC right now. We'll see how that plays out. Hopefully it goes well. But if not, they're going to take their business offshore and go where, there is regulatory clarity, because the tech is there. It's not going away. Alchemy Pay, though, has expended considerable effort over the years to expand its global presence and establish partnerships with both mainstream and local payment channels. They've improved their services over the past few years. Its partnership roster includes Visa, MasterCard, Discover, as well as some of the huge platforms like Google Pay and Apple Pay, regional mobile wallets, domestic transfer options. They now have 300 local alternative payment channels. Slowly but surely, they're becoming a powerhouse in this sector. This is why we always say diversify. I want a piece of the global payment side. I want a piece of the layer ones, piece of the layer twos, piece of the metaverse. Really look in all the different sectors and find some big winners and some big players in those sectors. I think Alchemy Pay, we talk about global payments, is certainly one of those. So this is what's happening right now and why it's moving, why the price is up, and why we've really seen a great start to 2023 for ACH. And yeah, it's been a while. I wanted to make this video, just kind of bring you up to speed, give you my quick thoughts on this most recent partnership as well. Appreciate you guys as always. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe down below if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.